Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how you can remove your account from the YouTube application on your phone. Open the YouTube app. After that, click on the icon of your channel in the upper right corner. In the menu of various options, we need the one that opens with an arrow next to the name of our channel. We click. The page will show a list of our accounts and options for managing them. We will open the last option, Manage Accounts, on this device. In the Management menu, we can remove the account we want by clicking the Remove from this device button. We click. In the pop-up window, confirm the selection by clicking the Remove button. Attention! In this way, we will not only remove the account from the YouTube application, but also from all other applications or services that belong to Google and exist on our phone. That's all for this video. Subscribe to our channel for more useful videos. See you in the next video.